Hi gang, today is the 26th of May. I just want to show you guys what I'm doing right now. And these are my potatoes. They were planted at the beginning of April. Right? They're very tall. The color is fantastic. And here I have my tomatoes, better known as tomatoes. Also planted in April. Nice plants. Starting to bloom already, as you can see. These are good plants. There's another one right here. That's quite as tall as the other two, but you know, it's nice. And down here, I have my sweet taters. They sort of got off on a bad start. You know, so like I had to do a little bit of doctoring on them. But like now they're perking up and they're looking pretty good now. But yeah, I want to tell you guys about something. I want to show you something right now that you should not do, and that is, excuse me, don't let your fertilizer touch the leaves of your plants, right? I was a little bit careless, and this is what happens. It'll burn the plants because, anyway, the fertilizer that I use is high in amino acids and proteins, which means lots of nitrogen. And nitrogen, if you use too much of it, will burn your plants. But I made a mistake and wasted it on, I sprayed it on the leaves of my beets. These are beets. These are red beets, right? And I made the same foolish mistake right here in my beans, but they're looking great now. They're coming back. Beans looking good. I just planted them about a week ago, right? But then I didn't, waste too much on them. It's not so bad as the beets, right? And down here, I have ginkgo biloba. I'm pretty sure you guys know what ginkgo biloba is. It's an herb. It's good for the brain. Yes, it is, especially if you're getting old, like some people I know. Up here, this is my garlic. I'm not planting as much as I did last year because I'm working on a lot of different projects and I don't have too much time. But still, this is my garlic. It's looking pretty good. It's kind of young, but it still got a long time to grow. Garlic grows all the way up until the fall. So here's my rosemary. It's a beautiful rosemary. If you can see it in person, you'll see how pretty it is. Right? It's been here now for about a couple of years. It's my cilantro. I just planted. This is the first time I'm planting cilantro. I like the taste. I love the taste, as a matter of fact. So I'm hoping right now I can get some seeds so I can plant my own. These came from other plants that I bought from the store. Right? And up here, same thing with my spinach. I've already harvested spinach once this year. These are the plants, right? And like I said, don't make sure you don't waste or spill your fertilizer on the leaves. That's what happens when you do that. Yeah, I was a little bit careless, but hey, sometimes shit happens, as they say. So, my blueberries. This is the second year. Last year I had, if you remember, I had one blueberry on this plant, right? And tell me, I'm telling you, nice, much nicer. Much more berries. They're looking good too. They're gonna be big. Here I have my onion. It's the first time I'm planting onions like this, because they're allium plants. They need lots and lots of nitrogen. Right. This is my cucumber. I planted this year as well. Really big leaves on it. It's growing. It's very healthy. I already have 3 cucumbers on it. Cool. And my what is this? Basil. Just started coming up. Last year I had basil leaves. Oops. Basil leaves as big as my hand. Large, very large plants. So, I'll give you guys an update later when they start growing a little bit more, maybe a couple of months or so, and you can check out the progress. Y'all take care.